Hi, I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is mindset and being accountable. So what do I mean by that? Well, sometimes I'm out with reps and you know what they're blaming? The product or the delivery day or marketing or accounts are chasing people, and it's like they're working against their own company. It's really important that every single member in the link in your team, and that means the whole company, is a nucleus. You're tied together, backing up, supporting each other. This is the way that I like to demonstrate it, that you're all in a circle together and your arms are linked and you are absolutely backing up why accounts is chasing them for money. They owe you money. You're absolutely backing up marketing. There's always going to be issues with the company. We're all ducks on the surface. We're all scrabbling like anything underneath. That's just how business rolls. So your mindset in terms of accountability is really important, that you realise there's always going to be things that happen, but who's accountable? The only person accountable is the person that looks at you in the mirror when you clean your teeth. That's you. You're accountable for your figures, you're accountable for your outcome, you're accountable for your decisions, and you're accountable for your mindset. Whether you get affected by people or not affected, that's down to you, that's down to your mindset. If you want to learn more about mindset, then we'd like you to join us on our Sales Mastery NLP course in sales, which is all about understanding how to get into the absolute state of excellence, be a model of excellence for your company. But until then, if you want more tips, then subscribe below. If you want to share this with a colleague, then share. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.